Hey guys, welcome to Raj Makes Money. How are all my money makers doing today? Hope you guys had a terrific day in the market. Unfortunately for the Raja, I did not have a terrific day in the market. Had another down day, but that's okay. With down days comes big up days, so we just got to keep our fingers crossed and get the party started for this week. But lots of stuff going on in the market. Big breaking news. Bill Gates and Melinda Gates splitting up. How do you even split up that much money? Because remember when Amazon split up Jeff Bezos, and it was like $80 billion he had to give his wife. It sounds like it's amicable and it's going to be okay, but that's just it kind of came as a shock because they travel together. They have their foundations. You know, he's tight with Warren Buffett and giving away. Supposed to give away like 90% of his money to the Giving Tree or that whole thing. But definitely it would be interesting how that affect, it's really not going to affect Microsoft or anything, but definitely interesting to see kind of big news in the financial world. But let's take a look how I did today. Unfortunately down. CCIV was down heavily. Miraculously enough, my GameStop finally started to go down 11 points, and my put was up a whole 4.5 cents. At one point, it was up about 12 cents today. But I can tell you, if we get another 10-point drop, once GameStop breaks that 150, it's going to 120s pretty quickly. So it's kind of interesting because it seems like when cryptocurrency is up, then GameStop gets a big momentum hit. But not sure, like I said, not sure why today. It was up and then just started selling off. Same with like CCIV and a lot of stuff. Nasdaq was down today. The Dow almost near new highs again. But IDX got hit today, down 11 cents. But our hedge made us some money back, so at least we caught a little bit of a return there, and that still has just 3 weeks until it expires. And then Jaguar also down a little bit, not much, but it's creeping down again. I can definitely tell you, if this thing goes back down to that 125, I'm definitely going to buy it this time and hold it for the rally. But unfortunately, CCIV down $1.18, which affects everything. So, affects a large chunk of our position. I have these 2,000 or 19,900 shares of it I own now also. And, I was thinking, it doesn't do me any good to write the 22 call because it's like 25 cents. So, I can. It's $5,000. It's not a whole lot. So, I'll write something or do something. But I was hoping to see a little bounce. Maybe, hopefully tomorrow we'll get, something. But if it does break, the next line of support is probably around $18.89 or so. And then after that, it's about that $17.67. So we just need to get some more rumors. So if you talk to anyone tonight, let them know that Apple could still be looking at CCIV to help with the rumor mill. But that's when it spiked up last time. Unfortunately today, Kenny and the research team did not have a good day in the market, but they like some of their picks and stuff. They ended on a lot of the dips today and a bunch of new ones that boomed. PRMK and AXTG, they're sitting on free shares now. Trimmed a lot of the slower movers to free up some cash and stuff to jump on other stuff. But he'll catch another one for 400, 500, 1,000%, and it will be back in action. So looking good there. Cryptocurrency, like I said, Bitcoin's actually come down a little bit from where it was, 59,000, still way back up from its lows. But Dogecoin up to 43, 44 cents. Definitely making some spikes up, Elon Musk this Saturday night on SNL. So it's definitely something, I don't Dogecoin serves no value to go up, but everything I think is getting into it because probably in the middle of the show or when the show ends would be the time to sell your Dogecoin, but probably between now and Saturday, I wouldn't be surprised to see this 50, 60 cents, just the way it's going and stuff. But it's like I said, it's just an incredible rally. So I've been looking at getting back into some cryptos just to start playing, and we have that money. We made some money early on it. I guess we should have just stuck to our thing and kept buying $50,000 a month in crypto. We'd be in really good shape. CCIV, like I said, down $1.18 today. After hours down a little bit. It's actually a good sign when it goes down after hours. Seems like when it goes up after hours, it opens up and then goes down. When it goes down, and then it opens and goes up. So it'll definitely be there. Mikey the Fish says, who remembers when I mentioned BTX? And BTX had a good day today. It was up like 28 points or something. Yeah, 28 points today, just crazy. But then, as fast as they go up, so fast as they, after hours down $8. So still up tremendously. Yeah, no, you can catch these on the right days. They can do really well. So let's take a look here, guys. What else you guys got for me? Mike Roberts says, everybody needs to put some money in SafeMoon. SafeMoon probably has the best opportunity of the next one to really take off and hit that penny or 2 pennies or 5 cents or something. Definitely will be interesting to see. Crazy Carl hit it on BTX. Congratulations, Crazy Carl. I'll be expecting more than a $1 super chat from you then when I'm live tomorrow night. I'm just kidding. Crazy Carl, one of our mods on the Big Jackpot channel. Steve says, Raja never seems to get upset or shows his emotion when the market is up or down, which is necessary to lose or be up 500K in 1 day of trading. Props to him. Thank you, Steve. Like I said, a couple of things, first of all, obviously there's emotion. You don't want to lose $360,000 today and, not be like, shit, it sucks. But now, one thing is I like the plays I'm in. GameStop, as far as like GameStop as a play right here, this is a crapshoot. This one here, I'm risking $250,000. I'll hedge it. We'll get, most of it back before then, or we'll close it. And, you could lose 50, 100,000. To me, that's a casino play. It's a crapshoot. I truly believe GameStop's way overvalued. Nothing about the company. This isn't about, I hate GameStop. I love GameStop. This is not an emotional play. This is an intelligent play based on facts. The facts that, it should go down, based on where it is, and it finally did start going down. But it's not an emotional play to me. This is for fun and hopefully to just hit it big. This thing goes down 30, 40 points, and these $2, $1.50 puts are all of a sudden $8. I make $1 million. It could pay off really, really big, or you could lose 100,000. It's the same thing. Put $100 into a slot machine, you could lose it all. Put $100 in, and if Progressive's 100,000, you could win $100,000. So it's kind of like that. CCIV, on the other hand, I truly like CCIV. I think CCIV has has a terrific product that they're going to start producing and selling. The whole merger, not CCIV, but the merger with Lucent is, Lucent's making the product that's going to be very good, and it's definitely. They're going to do well, and I think it could be $30 to $40, 30 on the low side, 40 on the high side, maybe even higher. And I honestly don't mind having 300,000 shares of it when it pops. Unfortunately, we have to wait till June or get some rumors or news. Crazy Carl, you got it. I made 4,000 on BTX. Thank you so much, Crazy Carl. I was just joking. You didn't have to send me money. Send me more money, Crazy Carl. No, no. You know what? A lot of people don't even know the story about Crazy Carl. This guy just kept sending me dollars. It just said Carl, or it had a different name. And I'm like, this guy was crazy. Just kept sending $1 super chats. So I finally called him Crazy Carl. He changed his name, and now Crazy Carl is known all over the slot community as the craziest YouTuber watcher out there. So thank you so much, Crazy Carl. Doug A. Hey, Raja, the Hard Rock is huge down here in Tampa. It is. It's very big. I like it down there. Lots of slots. So rent slots. $2 Crazy Carl now. Crazy Carl usually doesn't like to type messages out. That's why he only sends $1. He just wants me to know that he's there for good luck. Just knowing Crazy Carl's there for good luck helps me a lot too. Shannon in the house, one of our YouTube sponsors. Thank you for the thumbs up. But let's see. Blue Acquisition says Rocket Moon is supposed to be the next crypto to spike, but who knows? Not Safe Moon. There's a new Rocket Moon. It's like every day there's a new one. The hard part too is just finding where to buy them. If they're on Coinbase, if they're on Coinbase, Robinhood, or Coinbase, Robinhood, or like Webull and some of those places are easy exchanges, then these things can spike. If they're not on any of those places, then it makes it a little tougher. But yeah, Rocket Moon. Yeah, I mean, this is the thing. This one has, if you want to make money, if this thing goes, it's very easy for something to go from 0.0000001 to 0.0000002, and you double your money. The hard part is, would you put $1 million into it? I don't know. $100, $1,000, $5,000. If you have the cash, yeah, probably be fun. But definitely interesting to watch these and everything, and where they are all are going and stuff. But yeah, the rocket moon. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, look at this here. It got up to 0.079. Oh, so it's come way down from where it was. Or 0.049. I don't know. We'll have to play some of these, have some fun with them, I guess, see what they can do. But yeah, it's crazy the way stuff's moving around stuff. So the governor down here just lifted all COVID restrictions to go. Yeah, he did. And I think you'll see that all over the place. So Charlie says, have you heard of PLR coin? I have not. We can look that one up. PLR coin. Not heard of that one. I mean, there's just so many of them out there. Like I said, at some point, this coin market value is just going to, crash. But so far, they haven't. They keep going up. It's pretty crazy. So this one that somebody just mentioned, PLR coin. Let's see, 0.06 cents. See, look at the 3-month chart on this one. Yeah, definitely another one on the rise from down here in the 2-cent range. And it's crazy. Like I said, you just don't know. What's going to be the next big one. I know the NFTs have helped a lot of these coins, take off and stuff. But so hard to say what they're going to do. Also, guys, so how many of you guys are watching the Apple stuff? So this is interesting. If you've been watching the Apple, with the trial started with Epic Games and stuff. Epic Games' whole thing is, why do we have to pay you all this money? We shouldn't even use you. We just need to use your the App Store, your technology, and everything else. But we should be able to just charge our customers and keep all the money. Apple, is saying we don't want to be like Android and have viruses and bad apps and all sorts of stuff. But it was interesting in some of the emails in Discovery today that they were showing during the trial. It's like in 2012, they're a long time ago, 8-9 years ago. Some of the stuff, saying like if we do this, it's going to make it more stickier platform. People won't be able to do this. The big one was interesting was iMessage. And you guys, if you have an Apple phone or an iPhone, and you have friends who are on Android phones, you guys know. If you messaging to an Apple or iPhone person is so easy and nice, with iMessage and everything. But if you have a group chat and you have one person in the group who doesn't have an iPhone, the chats never work right. I mean, it's nothing but a headache. And that was one of the reasons that they didn't want to make the iPhone better. Or iMessage better with Android is because they said, well, if we did that, a lot of parents keep their kids on the iPhones, but if, they could go buy a $200 cheaper or $200 phone on Android, that would hurt Apple. So that was one of the reasons. So it's interesting, But this is back to the same thing. If you invent a product, and where does the government have the right to step in and tell a business what they can and can't do? And we're supposed to live in a free country. Obviously, the pandemic showed us that we don't live in a free country. That we think we're living in a free country, but at some point, there's people can just shut us down, or business owners can shut us down, can make us wear masks, can make us do this, can make us do that, can have curfews. So I guess we don't have. It'll definitely be interesting. So Marco says Epic will back down or they will lose half their business. Well, I mean, they've already, the App Store took them off, or for updates or whatever quite a long time ago. And I said, too, that, they made $750 million from Apple on the App Store. But it also means that Apple made, $250 million. So, I mean, this is going to be big. Right now it's not, here's the thing. The big thing with this, and here, pull up Apple here. The big thing with this one and the whole case is going to be, and I was surprised even with the trial starting, Apple was up today, but Apple also said today by 2023 they're going to have a foldable iPhone, so that could be interesting too. If they do that and stuff. But like I said, the whole thing with Epic Games is where does the government have the right to tell a private business how much they should make? I guess I kind of compare this. Apple has a lot of different analogies and different stuff, but owning a bar, restaurants and stuff, it's kind of the same thing. You come into my bar, I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. If you get a bottle of Fiji water, we charge $5. A bottle of Fiji water costs 80 cents. I mark up Fiji water, what is that, 400%? I'm making $4.20. Now I have overhead, I have employees, I have rent, I have insurance, I have taxes, employee taxes, 401ks, health insurance, remodeling costs, electricity. We have bills, but my bills obviously are not 400%. I mean, you're in business to make money, right? Well, it's the same thing. What if the government, so what if a customer decided to sue me and says, I know you only pay 80 cents for that water, you shouldn't sell it for more than $3. It's my business. You decided to come into my business and be a customer. I can charge you what you want. Now, for like our VIPs or customers, or if they just want free water, I have Arrowhead water, and I get 48 of those for $3.99, and I give Arrowhead out for free. It's definitely, like I said, it definitely. Where does the government, or a judge, where should they be allowed to tell you what you as a business owner can and can't do? If we went to McDonald's, do you think chicken McNugget, do you think a Big Mac really costs them $9, or a Big Mac combo $10? Look at the airports. Why doesn't somebody sue, every airport? Why do they mark up all the food in airports? You want to know why? Because airport leases are all on percentage deals, and the airport is very greedy, which is owned by the government, and wants to make the most money. So those stores in there, to hit their goals or whatever the airport wants them, has to pay, marks it all up. Why do you think, this is an interesting one. There was a big battle in a lot of these places with Chick-fil-A, because Chick-fil-A is in a lot of these locations, and they refuse to open on Sunday. And they've been turned down at a few places, and I think they even sued, saying you can't force us to have to be open on Sundays, and we have the right to rent space or be there. So I don't know, different stuff. Like I said, this is going to be interesting. The bad news is if Apple loses, I mean the good news, the bad news is if Epic loses, it's over with, it's done. It'll be great for Apple and definitely upset other people and stuff in the future, but. If Apple loses, they're just going to appeal this. So, I mean, this case could go on for 5 years before there's actually a winner in the case. And like I said, I just don't think the government has the right to tell somebody what they can charge and can't charge. So, like I said, it's my business. You don't like my business? Don't come in my business. Don't want to pay me $5 for a Fiji water, When you go to 7-Eleven now, even $2.79 for a 16-ounce soda pop or something, in a thing. I mean, it's ridiculous, the prices. Red Bulls are like $8. Red Bull costs $1. They're selling for $8, in places. Different things have different markups. How many people watch Shark Tank that are watching right now? How many products? I love when to me it blows me away when they come on Shark Tank and they go, "How much do you sell your product for?" And they're like, $29.99. They're like, how much does it cost to make your product? $279, or something. With freight landed $329. And Mark Cuban starts clapping. He goes, great markup, great markup. It's a free country. You can make as much as you want. Like I said, if somebody doesn't want to pay the price for your product, don't buy it. If you don't want to have your thing in the Apple store, don't put it there. Put it elsewhere. People, if you have the best game out there, they're going to find you. They'll figure out a workaround to play your game, or you know what? They'll go buy an Android phone if they want to play your game and have in-app purchases and stuff. So, like I said, lots of stuff out there, and it will be very interesting where it all goes. But Apple was up today a point, and that's with the NASDAQ and everything being down. Interesting enough, Tesla sold off again, broke below the $600 range, or back in the $600 range. It was down 24 points. So that's probably also hurt some of the other electric vehicle ones. I wonder how NIO did, because that one was starting to come up pretty good. So yeah, it's down back in the 30s from where it was the other day with earnings and stuff. But like I said, it's so much stuff out there, to take a look at and stuff. Marco Polo says, Apple also coming out with 2 affordable options this year, which should bring even more competition to the Android cheap stuff. Yes, because, Apple wanted to come out with some cheaper stuff as they were breaking into like the Indian markets and growing there, because some of those other emerging market countries, they don't have $1,200 to buy an iPhone. They need stuff for, $100, $200. So the other thing, have you guys ever wondered where Apple sell, honestly, it's pretty amazing that you can buy a new Apple iPhone or something for $20 or $1,200, and then they give you your year-old model $600, $700, $800 trade-in. You know, like who's buying a used iPhone for so much money in these secondary markets or countries? It just blows me away sometimes that there's that much markup on it. Mark says Ocugen had a great day, up 3 points on 277 million shares. That's definitely a good day. I don't really follow that one, so. Pete says no more 5 for 25. Times have changed. That's right. We used to have 5 for 25 shots. Now it's 5 for 30. So times do change, and you have to keep up with the times. So some more comments. Margaret says, good luck in the market tomorrow, Raja. Thank you so much. Hopefully we'll have a big turnaround day for me and Kenny and the research team. Mikey the Fish, thanks for another great video, Raja. Have a good night. Thank you, Mikey. You too. Don't forget, tomorrow, guys, the show is a half hour early because you know what tomorrow is? It's Tuesday live play, and we're going to be at the Monarch Casino. And Monarch stock was down a little bit today, I saw. But like I told you guys, I think this stock it was actually down 2 points today. Wow. I think this stock is terrific stock company. They were just packed over the weekend as also starting May 1st, unlimited stakes now, so they can have, $5,000, $10,000, blackjack up there, whatever they want to do. Baccarat tables are being added. They have the online gambling now, for sports betting, here in Colorado from your phones. So, I think Monarch, just terrific. They have 2 casinos, this and Atlantis in Reno, just, positioned to do incredible and stuff. So, should be good. Satoshi says, when Apple first came out with the iPod, it was over $100 and you could pick up an MP3 player with space for 200 songs for $10 at Best Buy. It's what people are willing to pay for it. Very true. Yeah, the iPods were, I remember I think they were like $300 for the first iPods. I have one still. Like the big square box, and it's pretty cool. Josh says, crypto seems to be the bull market. Any thoughts of getting more into that? Yeah, I'm looking at some stuff. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to play, obviously we need stuff that's easily tradable, so it has to be on like Coinbase or Robinhood's or, Webull where I have accounts and can move, because some of these stocks or some of these cryptos are very hard. But you know what? I'm going to jump on the bandwagon. We'll have some fun. We'll throw, 5, 10, 25, $50 million at something. I don't know. Hey, if something wants to hit, let's take advantage of it. No reason to sit on the sidelines. And like I said, I think I just needed to be a little bit more comfortable with following some of the patterns of some of this stuff, how it's trading, how it's going, and because it is interesting. There's risk, and the way this stuff moves, and as fast as it goes up is as fast as it can go down. Here, you know what? We could buy some right now. Here, what do you guys think we should buy here? Let me go to Coinbase. I haven't logged in on this computer, so I'll have to get logged in here. It'll take me 1 second. Sign in. I have to send codes to myself. Verify it's me. Alright, I get logged in here. I gotta come here, get my oops. Oops, that's not working. So you guys tell me what cryptos we should buy on Coinbase. Hold on a second, it's not working my login. Let's see here. Dun, dun, dun. We're experiencing technical difficulties. That's good. All right. Nothing is easy anymore. Oh my God. It's got this crazy password. Don't ever let your iPhone pick your password for you. The good news is nobody will ever guess this password. I can't even. Alright. Got in. I gotta enter the 6-digit code. So you have to go to your Auth3net. Alright. It's 2-factor authentication. I don't know. Alright. We are logged in. There we go. Alright. We got 57,000 because we made that $8 grand or so off our first trades. So what do you guys say? I'll buy OCG1. What should we buy? I don't think you can buy Dogecoin in here, can you? What are our choices? Buy, sell. So let's do a buy. What do you guys think we should buy live right now, guys? Buying some crypto. So Brett says, I spread my money with 5 different coins. I'm up over 29 grand on 5 coins. That's terrific. What do you think? What do you guys think we should buy? All right. That's Bitcoin. How do we see? What do you guys think? Maybe the Dodge is better. Ethernet. Ethereum is doing good. Do you think we should buy a little Ethereum? All right, let's do 5,000 in Ethereum. All right. All right. What do you guys think? We should buy some Ethereum? All right, that one's in. All right. What else, guys? What else looks good in here? I wonder why they don't have the Dogecoin in here. What else? Anything else here, guys, you think we should buy? Rent slots, they charge like 8 to 10% commission. Seems like all of them do. Because like on some of these other ones, they like you go to sell it and it's 44 cents, or you go to buy it it's 44 cents. You go to sell it it's 42 cents. They all seem to take about 8 to 10% commission. Bitcoin's down a little bit. Ethereum. All right, Bitcoin. Let's do. Let's do 25,000 in Bitcoin. How's that? Purchase. So we got 247 in commission. Yeah. So 10%. What am I waiting to pay with? I want to pay with. I want to pay with our funds on hand. There we go. I don't know how I was going to pull more money out from my bank. All right. So preview the buy. What do you guys think? Bitcoin. What do you guys think? Should we do it? All right. Let's preview the buy. All right. We're in Bitcoin again. Back. Let's see this thing rally this week. Yeah, I like the XLM too. All right, let's see here. There's codes. What else do you guys think we should buy here? Which one's going to move the most? Look at YXTZ, XRP, yeah. Oh, why do they have XRP on here? Alright, let's see. Oops. Alright, let's see our portfolio now. Alright, we've got down a little bit, but thanks to those commissions. But hopefully we will start making some money on these guys. See how we do. Guess we won't know until we check them on them. So we are in action stuff. Charlie says, I know this is slow to you compared to your Slack channel, but you're making a movement here also. Thank you, Charlie, and I appreciate it. And thank you for being a YouTube sponsor. So, tanked up threads, Cardano ADA at $1.36 is a great price. Is that another, is that a stock or a crypto? So many of these different names here. What else? Any other ones here that you guys like? It doesn't seem like you can buy much here. compared to like all the stuff on everywhere else and stuff. But who knows? Who knows? Let's see here. ADA, XLM. I didn't see those guys on here. ADA or XLM. What else? ADA. You guys like? Cardano. Alright, here, let's do 5,000 on this one. You guys like this one? Let's preview the buy. Oops. $1.37. These are cash on hand. Alright, let's do it. Cardano. Done. Alright, what else? XLM, where's that one? Stellar Loomis. Why do you guys like this one so much? What do you think? Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna see how much we can make with all this crypto. Alright, got that one done. What else we gonna buy? Can't make any money just having it sit in cash, but it's always good to have a lot of cash on hand. What else looks good? What else do you guys like? Inch. Apple Fourth government token. Alright, I don't know. See our portfolio now. What are we up to? Alright. So what we got going. Any other ones? You guys like Litecoin too? I'll do a little Litecoin. Why not? Alright, I'm going to leave it up to you guys to tell me when to sell these. So, you guys are in charge. You guys know what price we're buying it at? Ah, thank you, Ren Slots. Some roses for me. So, you guys, up to you guys. Let me know when to sell all my coins. If you leave it up to me, I will forget about them. Alright. There you guys go. This is our portfolio. This is what we got going. See how we do. Alright, there we go. Alright, looking good. We are in the coin business again. But hey guys, unfortunately down $363,000 today. And hopefully we'll come back. Kenny and the research team, unfortunately down 2,900. But they trimmed a lot of losses, freed up some cash, and have a couple of stocks that had some good runs. So they're just trading with free shares now. Dow futures pretty much flat right now. Dogecoin, see where this is at. Did this go up anymore? 44 cents, getting up there. I have a sell order in at 45 cents for my Dogecoin that I have on Robinhood. So hopefully it gets there. And hopefully we see some big rallies over here. We're at 62,000. So that's our magic number that we got to get above now. But hopefully we can do it. So, all right, we are back in the crypto game. But hey guys, Crazy Carl, don't forget me. How can I ever forget you, Crazy Carl? Oh, stop. Forget it. So, all right. Let's see. What did Crazy Carl say? I messed it up here. BCH. Which one? BCH. I didn't see that one. Is that on... Oh, Bitcoin Cash. You like that one, Crazy Carl? Crazy Carl likes it. 5,000. All right. That's for you, buddy. All right, guys. Oops. I didn't show you guys buying it. I didn't show you guys. All right, 5,000 of BCH for Crazy Carl, because there's only one Crazy Carl out there. But hey, guys, thank you so much for joining us live today. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click that subscribe button. If you haven't followed me on Facebook, make sure you follow me. Let your friends, let everyone know about us. Also, don't forget, big shout out to our YouTube sponsors and, of course, our Patreon members. All my trades in real time. I didn't have any today, but all my trades in real time I post on our Patreon page. Then all our Patreon page members have access to our private Facebook page. That's where Kenny and the research team post all their stuff. Plus, you guys can post and share stuff there. And, hey, let's make lots of money. Let's have a great comeback tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be our day. Let's take this market back. Let's do it. But hey, guys, thank you so much. Wishing you guys all the best of luck tomorrow. And also, don't forget, the show is a half hour earlier tomorrow. And because we got live play tomorrow night. Take care, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good rest of your night.